Ashil Khatan, 65 years and from Kolkata. Through some common friends. Fourth time, I suppose. It's basically not a very specific problem. A little bit of diabetic I am, blood pressure issue is there, and age-related normal, the body pain and all these things. So now we have made it like every year, at least we come for a week, 5 days or 7 days, whatever possible. We come here. So the first time when I came, it was, I think, improvement work had just started. At that time, I would say it was below my expectation. But after that, it's really a big change. A lot of new facilities has been added. The mains treatment center, which is really having all sorts of modern equipments and all those things has been added. So I think it's now worth coming here, and the doctor's team and all are very cooperative and supportive. So we feel at home when we come here. Yeah, sure, we do. And we just try to get some companion whenever we come. So this time again we have a companion. The previous time also we actually tried to convince someone to come here, and it will certainly give some benefits to them as those who are suffering from, say, the body weight and all these lifestyle diseases. So it's really worth it.